Welcome to Unit 4, Evaluating and Selecting Work Methods to Meet Project or Operational Requirements in the Workplace. Key concepts of this unit. How, with regards to work method, are you going to manage a trade task or construction process? This is what this unit is all about. So, how you're going to do that, you'll find out in the following guidance that you will do this by reviewing and comparing and cross-referencing available information to ascertain the correct work methods. This will also be achieved, where necessary, by gaining additional information in order to confirm the work or operational requirements. Thirdly, by identifying the most suitable work method with regards to uses of resources, the environment and health and safety requirements. So the question is, how with regard to work methods are you going to manage a trade task or construction process? You will do this by monitoring work methods to ensure best practice is being achieved and maintained. And finally, by ensuring method statements are accurate and sufficient for use, adapted to suit changing circumstances, and then recommended work methods to all stakeholders in the immediate present and setting precedents for future operations. Quite a lot in this unit, but it's not an overlarge unit. It's broken down into 7. Let me just have a look. It's broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 learning outcomes, and it's a single unit. The learning outcomes are, what is a learning outcome? Anything that you should know or be able to do or evidence as part of a learning or assessment program. So the learning outcomes in this unit are: 1. Assess and evaluate project or operational data in order to identify work methods. 2. Obtain additional information from other sources in cases where the available project or operational data is insufficient. 3. Identify work methods which will make the best use of resources and material and meets project and current legislation requirements. 4. Evaluate identified work methods against technical, environmental or project or operational criteria and select appropriate methods. 5. Ensure method statements are accurate, clear and concise and acceptable to all the people involved. And 6. Recommend and promote the selected work methods for projects or operations. As I have said previously in other introductory podcasts, you can use the same piece of evidence for many units and many learning outcomes. So select the best piece of evidence that holds you in the best possible light. You're there to show off in your NVQ. Now, the types of product information, that is what you do, that is suitable for this unit will be drawings with perhaps initialed and dated changes, your initials and dates. That makes a dead document a live document and a very valuable piece of evidence. Construction phase health and safety plans with you, the candidate, nominated in the document as the manager. Now, construction phase health and safety plan, choose one. It has so much information in there, and you might want to title it evidence number 13. You might want to quote this construction phase plan, construction phase health and safety plan, on many occasions. When you do quote it and reference it in the standards of your NVQ, evidence it as evidence number 13, and then you might want to put a page number next to it, page 13, page 27, whichever is the relevant page for whatever you're trying to evidence. Other other types of product information, RFIs, requests for information, survey reports, safe systems of work, RAMs, risk assessments and method statements, and contract conditions.